Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add the 3Ws in the beginning of your domain name in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. This is my website built using Hostinger website builder. And if I click or if I open it live, as you see, it does not have the 3Ws. Now let's see how to add it. Click on edit website button. And from this website builder page, click on these three dots or more settings. This new menu pops up or slide in. Go to general settings. And here next to use 3W prefix, before that, this adds the 3Ws to the beginning of your domain. Enable this option like that. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Enable this option like that. Close this window and don't forget to update your website from this corner. My website is updated. Now let's see or let's view my website. As you see, now my website started using the 3W in my domain name. And this is how to add the 3W in the beginning of your domain name in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.